Hello, so it is March now, which means in a couple weeks it's going to be Easter. I think it's on April 1st this year, I think. I'm not sure, but I know that it's in a couple weeks. So I decided that I would make an Easter bunny cake to get ready for Easter. It's super easy. All you need is to make 2 circle cakes, and one of them you're gonna use as the bunny's head, and the other one you're gonna cut up to make the ears and a little bow tie for your bunny. And then you're just going to need some black icing, some white icing, some pink icing, and then another color of icing, whatever color you want to make the bow tie. I did a blue, but it would be super cute if you made it green or purple or yellow, any of the fun kind of pastel-y, Easter-y spring colors. So keep watching if you want to watch how I made this adorable bunny cake. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I just got a piece of cardboard and covered it in aluminum foil. I'm just gonna use this to put my cake on just because I didn't really have anything that was long enough to put it on besides like a cookie sheet. Okay, so I'm starting with 2 round cakes. So I just have normal circles, and one of these I'm just gonna leave as it is, and that's going to be the face of the bunny. So I'm just gonna put that onto my tin foil. The other circle I'm going to cut up to use as a bow and the bunny ears. So basically I'm just gonna cut it like this. It kind of looks like a basketball, but I'm just gonna cut to make 2 ears, and then the center part is gonna be the bow tie part. Okay, so I'm starting off with some black icing. I have it in a piping bag with a really tiny piping tip at the top. It's the smallest star piping tip that you can get. I'm gonna start with my black, and I'm gonna do the bunny's eyes and the bunny's mouth and whiskers, not the nose. I'm just going to do little dabs and lift it up and make them with that technique. Okay, so I'm done all of the black part. While I'm getting my next color of icing ready, I usually just pop the cake into the fridge just so the icing hardens. It's just really hot in my house, so it always just gets melty. So I always just pop it in the fridge. Okay, so second I have some pink frosting. I'm using the exact same tip that I had before, and I'm going to do the bunny's nose and inside of his ears. Now I'm going to move on to the white. For the white icing, I used a slightly bigger star tip just because I want the bunny's fur to look a little fluffier. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna fill in all the spots that I didn't do with the black or pink on the ears and the bunny's face. then last but not least, I'm going to do the bow tie. I chose to do blue just because that's what I felt like doing today. But you could really do any color for the blue tie. Green would be nice, or like a light purple. I just didn't want to use pink because the nose and the ears are pink. And I didn't want to use purple because my black frosting kind of looks a little bit purple. So I decided to go with blue. And once you have finished filling in all of your icing on the bow tie, then you are all finished. It's a little bit time consuming, but in the end, I always love how it looks, and I'm feeling ready for Easter now. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you are planning on doing any baking for Easter. And we still have a couple more weeks before it's Easter, but happy early Easter from me and my little bunny. See you next week.